Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers, for experience, and we'll share with you the remote job opportunities and work from home job opportunities as well. So before we move ahead with the job opportunities, I would like to update you that today at 8 p.m. IST, I am I'm hosting a free live webinar for the automation testing. So if you want to get a job in 2026, then you have to attend this particular webinar. It is free, it is live, and it will not be recorded. You won't be able to see the recordings anywhere. So it is free of cost. You can attend this session today. Just take out 1 hour of time for yourself. It would give you a lot of benefit. It would definitely help you. It would definitely assist you a lot. Right? So this is a free live webinar, and I'm going to explain about how Playwright plus TypeScript can get you hired in 2026. And not only this, we are also going to tell you about AI and the impact of AI in the tester's day-to-day routine task. Okay, so all of those things, all of those informations would be discussed in detail. I'll put the link of this particular webinar in the first comment of the video so you can enroll it, and it is free of cost. I'm not going to charge anything to you. You can attend this particular webinar. Okay, now let's look into the job opportunities. So Gainwell Technologies is a hiring for QA, and it's a work from home remote job. So they are looking for remote first environment for work-life balance, comprehensive medical insurance, and all those things will be provided to you. Then health checkup reimbursements. So a lot of medical good facilities will be provided. Night shift allowance is there, travel reimbursement is there. So all of these things are there. So I'll share the link with you in the first comment of the video. But I would also suggest from your side, you have to go to the company's career website, Gainwell, right? This is the name itself, Gainwell. Okay. Search it on Google and apply it from the careers website as well. Okay. So that's very important. Next is the requirement for a manual tester. And apart from that, there are requirements for IT business development executive, QA manual tester, technical content writer, Python developer. And you can share your CV at this particular email address. And you can also call on this particular number as well. Now, apart from this, there are multiple other job opportunities. So let me share those details with you real quick. Uh, Yeah. So this is the first requirement that we discussed already. As such, the company is in Chennai as well as in Bangalore, and they are looking for testers, especially functional testers, manual testers, who has got strong expertise in manual testing, API testing, database SQL testing, US healthcare domain experience. Okay. So here is a link. I'll put this link in the first comment of the video. Then there is a requirement for a junior QA engineer, and the company is Hyperlink Infosystems. The location is Ahmedabad. So if you want to grow your QA career, so you can apply over here. Role is junior QA engineer, experience is 2 to 4 years. Skill set would be manual testing, web and mobile test cases, bug tracking, strong English communication is required. So you can send your CV to this email address. Then Infosys is hiring for testing domain. So there are different roles in Infosys company for performance testing, for performance testing 3 to 15 years, 2 to 5 years. Then Python Selenium automation tester 4 to 5 years. IT testing 5 to 10 years. IT consulting 3 to 10 years. Then API testing consultancy job opportunities there 5 to 15 years. Selenium APM with Java mobile automation testing is there. Work experience 5 to 9 years. And automation test lead again Selenium with Java automation consulting automation architect. All of these job opportunities are there. So you can share your details to this email address with the subject mail would be the referral code. So these are all the referral codes. Okay, and along with that, you have to share all these details like email address, mobile number, first name, middle name, last name, date of birth, preferred location, current employer, last employer, total experience in years, notice period in days, skill set, technology, referral code, all of these things. Then there is a requirement for QA professionals, and this is an opportunity with the UST company. And they are hiring for a manual test engineer with 3 to 5 years of experience, and they are looking for someone who can do functional testing, regression, smoke, sanity, API testing, SQL and backend validation, Agile Scrum environment. has worked in should have worked in Agile or Scrum environment, and the location is Kochi, Kerala. So you can apply here. Okay. And you have to connect with Abden Fernandez on LinkedIn. So he'll be able to assist you on this. Okay. Abden Fernandez, you can search, you'll be able to find it. Then there's a requirement for senior QA, and the requirement is for immediate joiners with experience 10 plus years in QA. And the skill set required is Playwright, Jenkins, GitHub, Bitbucket, Datadog, Postman, and you can share your resume at this email address, or you can also contact at this number. Then there's a requirement for manual test engineer, general insurance domain. So the location is Mumbai, and they are looking for someone who has got minimum 2 years of experience in software testing, hands-on experience in general insurance applications. Immediate, they are looking for immediate joiners, someone who can join with the notice period just ongoing thing, it is running as well, then you can join. So you can email your resume to this particular email address itself. This with respect to AQM Technologies. See, AQM Technologies, they are hiring since long. Okay, and they are specifically looking for the candidates who have got experience in payment domain, or I would say in a financial domain, or in the capital market domain, right? Investment banking domain. So all of these domains are hot favorites. And if you are looking for a job opportunity in Mumbai-based location, then you need to have this kind of domain knowledge. If you have this kind of domain knowledge, definitely you won't get the calls. Right? These days, many people are telling that they are not getting the calls. So all those things also we would be covering in today's webinar, right? Why calls are not coming, how you can get more calls once you upgrade your skills. So all of those things will be discussed. And these are the further testing roles that we have already discussed. So the company which is hiring for remote QA, and you have a company which has QA manual tester, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.